Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another day and other topic. So today we are going to learn that how we can convert lookup field into the master detail relationship. But before that, let me give you a quick recap of our previous video. And in our previous video, we have created two relationships into the Salesforce. One is lookup and other is master detail relationship. For lookup relationship, we have like make a field on book and student object, which are custom object in the Salesforce. And for master detail relationship field, we have created on book histories and book. So yeah, that's it. But let's get into the org so that I can explain you that how we can convert these fields into each other. Okay, coming back to our Salesforce org, I'll just quickly go to the setup on the right side of the org and I will click setup. Then we will go to the object manager. And because as I told earlier that we have created our lookup field on book and student objects. So I will just quickly go to the book object and I will click it. I will go to the field and relationships. And over here you can see a field named student name with a lookup relationship. So basically, as I told in my previous video, that lookup relationship are those where we link one object with another so that we can see records of each other. But what the thing is that you cannot convert this field if your record on the field or data is not populated. Okay, so you need to make sure first that on your all records, your field should be populated. There should be some data on your lookup field. If there is a field where there is no data, then you won't be able to convert your lookup field into master detail. And the second thing is, for example, there are some records where the fields records are not populated on your lookup field. Then you can delete it and then you can try to convert it from lookup relationship into the master detail. So quickly, if I'll make one record with any serial number and I'll save and I just leave it as blank and don't fill any student name and then try to convert my lookup relationship into the master, then you will be able to see that I won't be able to convert this field because the record is not populated over here. So I wanted to change the lookup relationship into the master detail relationship, and then I click next. And obviously all the things will remain the same, and then I'll click next and next and save. Then see, you will face an error, and what it is saying that you cannot create a new master detail relationship on an existing custom object if records already exist. So I told you that there should be two scenarios. If there are records that already exist on the master detail relationship without populating your lookup field, then you won't be able to convert it. You must first create a lookup relationship, populate the lookup field with data in all records, and then change the relationship type to master detail. So there are two options. Either you can just delete all the records and then convert your field. Either you can just update your records. So I will just quickly select George from here and click save. See, now in all my records, the field is already populated. So now I will try to convert it. So I'll go to the object manager, go to my book object where I have created the lookup relationship. And now I will try to convert this lookup relationship again. Now I need to click change field type and then again master detail relationship. Select. If you want to add some filter, you can add it or just keep it like the same. Next. And if you wanted to make it visible or not, next. If you wanted to show on the student object, and if you wanted to change the field label, you can also change the directed list label, but I don't want to change it, so I will keep it like the same and click save. Now, as you can see that the lookup field is changed into the master detail field. That's how we can convert a lookup into the master detail relationship in Salesforce. So if I'll go back to the book object and I'll click new, then you can see that it is a required field. That means that's the biggest sign of the master detail relationship, that it's a required field. So we have to choose some records in order to save it. Save. That's how you can convert your lookup into master detail relationship. I hope my video will help you in understanding of these topics. So this is it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.